How to activate public bank credit card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be talking about how to activate your public bank credit card online. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. So in order to begin this video, first of all, you have to log into your public credit card online. So to do that, you have to go to pbebank.com. From the official homepage, you have to click on login option. And from the drop-down menu, click on PBE. This will take you to another page which indicates the login portal, and from here you have to enter the correct form of your user ID. After that, click on next, and after that it will ask you to enter your password. Just simply go ahead and enter your password and click on login, and then after you will be logged into your public bank. So in order to activate your public bank credit card or debit card, as soon as you log in, you have to head over to Profile Maintenance and then click on Manage Card Profile and select Opt Out or In for the card not present and overseas retail transactions, and follow the on-screen instructions. If you want to do through ATM, first of all you have to insert your PB credit or debit card and then enter your 6-digit PIN and select Other Services. Go to Card Profile, opt in for the card not present and overseas transaction. So this is all about how you can do it. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.